cobra, la 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 la. Oops, wrong program. That's actually a Cobra 1966. Here on Willis Talk. She is a beauty. First one I've actually seen, and I had no idea the battery was so low. Get down, low. It's way down there. It's only a few meters off of the ground. I'd say maybe 6 inches if you're lucky. Check out these seats. Now that would be a cool seat for a gaming seat. Or just to sit around the house in. But even better in such a wonderful car. Problem is, if you don't know how to drive manual, you ain't going far. But ultimately, remember one thing. As you're viewing and oogling and thrill is coming out, don't touch and don't slobber. Just enjoy and respect. Doesn't quite look like a cobra mouth though. More looks like a sucker fish, don't it?